Hey you guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm coming to you with a banger. And when I say banger, I really do mean that, okay? As you can see, I am unboxing the Vettsy box. Okay, I'm not sure if you guys have been seeing that all across social media, but I had to look them up and try them, okay? So let's go ahead and get into it. As you can see upon me opening the package, it is very cutesy, very much put together. They have brochures and things like that. I did have a scratch off on there. I would have scratched it off on camera, which I did, but y'all not finna steal my code, okay? So yeah, if y'all want your own code, be sure to check them out. This is not a sponsored post. But y'all, I've been seeing this company all over social media, and as you can see, like, the packaging is amazing. They gave me quite a bit. Now, the reason why I'm here is because of the fact that I saw the raindrop like top coat, and I had to have it. And a plus, guess what the plus is? They are HEMA free products. Now back to the packaging. You seen like the bubble wrap has hearts on it. Like when I seen that, I was like, oh my gosh. Now the raindrop top coat is a 2-step system, and I will show you guys that later on in the video. But again, look at the packaging. Like, they added a QR code so you can actually watch a nail tutorial on their Instagram page. Okay, like this company, like I would say the quality of the products A1 for sure. Now, I only wanted the raindrop top coat and stuff, but the person I'm with, my spouse, he decided that he wanted to give me a box. So I wasn't going to turn down no products, okay? Now, the box was $52 on the dot, okay? I got 6, you hear me? 6 cat eye gel polishes, and they are called the Velvet cat eyes. And when I say those things are indeed velvet, trust and believe, they are like the small, like very fine grain glitter, and it looks so velvety. Now these glitters are like, what are they called? Like the aura glitters, and that is so freaking cute, and I cannot wait to show y'all some stuff to do with those glitters. I would probably mainly use it for encapsulation. Now the brush they did give me with this top coat and that other potted gel polish. I have never seen, honestly, a top coat in a pot, but when I say the quality is 10 out of 10, okay, let's get into the gel polishes. Now this is one coat. Well, I did do like a 2-coat application on like 2 of them, but for the sake of time, I did not want to do 2-coat all the way throughout the video. But yes, look at that. Now my little swatch sticks did have like some little stuff on it, so that's not their product, that's me. But as far as the velvetness, look at that. Look at the quality. It is so freaking pretty. And this product did come from overseas, okay? So it shuts out the middleman. It did take about a week and a half to get to me, okay? So there's something to think about. But as far as everything else, I feel like the wait was honestly so worth it, because comparing this product to like your top brand products, and I don't want to say no names, you know what I'm saying? But y'all, I honestly underestimated this company. And again, this is not sponsored. I'm not being paid to say none of this. Money out of this household was used for these products, okay? But when I say like these cat eyes, like like the other cat eyes that I have don't compare to this company. And like, no BS, for real. With this box I feel like I got a great amount of like variety. I did, as you see, I had like some green aspects, some purple, you seen some pink, and you see some silver there. Like, honestly, I can't wait to use these on my clients or myself, honestly, mainly myself, because where I'm at, a lot of folks really just be getting they be getting French tip, and I'm gonna be honest, I'm sick. When I say sick, I am sick of plain white French tips. I'm so over it. Now with that being said, hopefully, because of course I'm making swatches for them and I'm placing them where my clients will sit, hopefully they will like opt into some color, because I don't understand this trend of just being plain. Like, are we in the movie Pleasantville? And I might be showing my age by talking about that movie, but if you know, you know. Like, and if you don't know, go look up that movie Pleasantville and come back here and comment and let me know, like, is today's trends giving like black and white just plain? Like, is that what people really are into? Like, what happened to individuality and color? I don't get it. Now, for my DIYers at home, because of course I do have another video coming up talking about, hey, like, why are nails and beauty services costing so much? Okay, I do want to talk about that from a professional's standpoint, okay? Because I know primarily I talk about like from a DIYer standpoint, okay? So we're going to talk about that later. Now, again, I just want, please, ladies, let's just get into some color. My goodness, like, let the white go, all right? Put it on when you get in your casket. Like, hey, I don't put a white French tip on you then. Like, you can wear white when you croak. Something, I don't know. Lord knows a lot of folks can't wear no white today wedding. Anyway, no shade. I'm just joking. Just joking. A little key. Ain't nothing wrong with a little key. But anyway, please put on some color. Look at how beautiful and pigmented this gel pot is. And the application was so bomb. And it came with this brush, as you seen. The brush is so freaking cute. At first I was like, man, where's the top to this thing? Where's the protection for the brush? And you see, like, the brush actually comes apart. And you can actually use the handle as the lid. Now, if that ain't tea, I don't know what else is. Now, at this point, I'm showing you guys the 2-step process for the water droplet top coat. As you seen, I applied the base, cured it for a good 30 to 60 seconds. And look at that. Those are actual raindrops, y'all. We don't have to use gem cluster. Like the gem cluster glue, we don't have to use that anymore to get the water drop effect. And I'm so happy because I have been seeing this video all over social media and I wanted it so bad, and I'm so happy I got it now. And honestly, I'm a junkie when it comes to nail products, okay? Now, as far as this top coat goes, again, y'all know my usual go-to top coat is the Valentino Beauty Pure top coat. But for some reason, the formulation has been off. It's been peeling. And for that thing to be between $14 to $18, that's a no ma'am for me. All right? No ma'am. I don't need my clients coming back and their nails are peeling. Like, hello, did I not spend $14 to like $20 on this bottle of top coat? I'm going to need it to work correctly. All right? I have no problem calling out a brand. Now, as you seen, as I applied that top coat with that brush, it leveled so perfectly, okay? It leveled perfectly. And as you see with that brush, as I clean it, boom, protected. Perfect. And the water droplet top coat is non-wipe. Oh my gosh. Anyway, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to check this company out. I will link it below for your own pleasure if you want to try it. And yeah, I will see y'all in the next one.